Hello everyone, welcome to the first Python tutorial on data science beginners. In this series, we are going to learn Python from basics to advanced step by step. But before directly writing code, first we need to understand what programming actually is, why Python becomes so popular, and how computers understand our instructions. Because if you understand the foundation properly, coding becomes much easier. So first, what is programming? Programming actually means giving instructions to a computer. Computers cannot think like humans. They only follow instructions. So whatever we tell them to do, they do exactly that. For example, suppose I tell a computer to calculate 10 plus 20. The computer performs the calculation and gives output. But if instructions are wrong, the result will also be wrong. So programming is all about giving correct logical instructions. This is where algorithms come in. Algorithm means step-by-step instructions to solve a problem. For example, making a tea is also an algorithm. First boil water, then add tea powder, then milk, then sugar. This is all step-by-step process. Like the way programming works like this. Earlier programming languages were difficult for beginners. Syntax was complicated and writing programs took a lot of effort. Then a programmer named Guido van Rossum created Python in 1991. His goal was to make programming simple, readable, and beginner-friendly. And today, Python is used in AI, data science, machine learning, websites, automation, cybersecurity, and many other fields. Okay, now let us start coding. First, open Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Now create a folder called Python Basics. Inside that folder, create a new file, hello.py. Here .py means this is a Python file. Now, let us write our first Python program. Print hello world. Print function is used to display output on the screen. Whatever we write inside the brackets gets displayed. Here, hello world is text data, so when we run the program, Python displays this text on the screen. To run the program, click the Run button here in VS Code or right-click and select the Run Python file. Then you can see the output below in the terminal. Till now, the computer only gave output, but real programs also take input from users. For that, Python provides the input function. So let's write here, name equals to input of. Here in the double quotation marks, we write here enter your name. Here the program waits for the user to type something. Whatever the user types gets stored inside the variable called name. Variables are used to store data. You can think of them like containers. Here name stores the value entered by the user. By combining input and output, we take the input to the name variable and now printing that variable the output terminal. So we write print and in the double quotation marks we write hello, and after that you should place a comma here, and now we will write our variable name here, name. Now the flow becomes user gives input, Python stores the data and gives output back to the user. This is one of the most basic foundations of programming. So in this video we'll learn what programming is, what algorithms are, why Python becomes so popular, how to create a Python file, and how variables store data. In the next video, we will go deeper into variables and data types. So see you in the next tutorial.